Hey College and Career Success, this video for week 7 is going to cover this assignment right here. My academic plan, depending on if you are a traditional college student or a CCP student. So it's going to vary. So we're going to go ahead and go into the assignment folder. My previous video already covered the library assignment. Everyone's doing that. Now, for the My Academic Plan assignment, there are two options. If you are a traditional college student, meaning you are not in high school, you've already graduated, GED, degree, whatever the case is, traditional college student, you are going to go to, I'm going to recommend Firefox. Chrome sometimes, for whatever reason, just doesn't work great for this. So I'm going to recommend going into Firefox. And then once you're in My Stark State, you're going to go over here on the left-hand side, and it should just be under General, like under Tools here, and you're just going to click Map, your My Academic Plan page. Once you click on that, it's going to take you right in because you're a student. I have to pull one up, but yours is going to open up right here. So My Academic Plan, if you're a current college student, is kind of your go-to spot. Your advisors are going to use this. It can be used for registration, advising, checking in. All of this information here, you just want to double check, make sure it's right. They have your major correct, your program. It's going to have how many hours you've completed. It's going to have some financial aid. So it's a lot of information here. Underneath, you can kind of watch your degree progress, and then you can see all of the different types of classes that you have to complete. Now, I am using honestly, this is my brother's from a couple years ago. So all of his courses are done already. But you can use this to kind of look and see what classes you have taken, what classes you need to take, and what classes you're in the progress of. And then it has the little legend down here. So what you're going to do with this, besides looking at it if you've never seen it before, for the purpose of this assignment, you're going to come over here to the little print button, click it, hit Open PDF. And then once it opens into the PDF, you're going to go ahead and save it. And I'm just going to go back over here to this printer button, save to PDF, save, and then I'm going to find some place, on my device to save it. I'm just going to save it right now. I mean, I would probably, change the name. There we go. Hit save. And there is my map as a PDF. So I'm going to go back into my Blackboard, click here, and then I'm going to just upload that file and browse, find it, upload it like you've done for other things. All right, so that is if you are a current college traditional student. That is what you're completing, is the map page. And I also encourage you to take a look at the information in there. Now, if you are a current high school student, you are taking this course as a CCP student, you are going to go to the Stark State homepage under Academics. Go ahead and find a major that you're interested in. Obviously, some of you are younger, or even if you are a senior and you might not have your major selected yet, and that's okay. So you're going to go ahead and go into one that you think might be interesting. This is not locking you into anything. It's just like, what are you interested in? Are you interested in education? Are you interested in something in the health field? So I'm just going to click on, business and accounting, but these are all set up very similarly. I'm going to click into one of these. Once I click in, you're going to see that they're all, doesn't matter if I click in culinary, education, health, they're all going to have kind of very similar information where they're going to have the contact information over here. They're going to have skills needed for that particular area, links to related program information, information about other careers inside that major. At the very bottom, you're going to have all of the types of degrees or certificates that you could earn under that umbrella. So for this, I'm just going to click on accounting. Once I get into the more specific major, here is more specific information about this field. So accounting, contact information, all the different majors and certificates. So let's say I want to do this for health. All right. Once I get here, I'm going to click on courses. And then here is what I'm going to upload. There's a full-time path and a part-time path. It's going to be the same information. It's just going to recommend different timing with everything. This is a list of all the courses that you would have to take inside this major. And so I can encourage you to take a look at it. It gives you like a recommended course semester by semester, what classes to take, how many technical, non-technical courses, prereqs, coreqs. So those of you in CCP, once you find the program plan, you're just going to go ahead and download it. Again, save it on your device under whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm not going to come back to it again, so I'm just going to hit save. Go back in there, and that's what you're going to download and then upload into the Dropbox, okay? And again, I'll kind of show you, even if I didn't choose accounting, if I went into education, same kind of thing. I scroll down on the page, I look to see the major, I click it, I hit courses, and then here's the PDF. So they're all set up in a very similar fashion. Let's say like math and science. I just don't want anyone to think that like they have to dig through a whole bunch of different things. I'll scroll all the way down. Let's say I'm just going into math. And then you're going to see that it's going to have courses. There's the PDF, okay? So depending on if you are a current traditional college student or if you are a current high school CCP student, make sure that you do the assignment that's directed to you. If you are a current traditional college student, you're doing your My Academic Plan, your MAP page. If you are a CCP student, you are doing this program plan page, all right? And so you upload one of those, one or the other, not both, into the Dropbox, and that will take care of your My Academic Plan assignment. And then I will finally be back with the last video that goes over your registration assignment.